Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, everyone. Welcome back. How are you today? As always, I hope you are feeling good today. In the last video, we have practiced to answer 10 questions. If you haven't watched them, you can watch them before you continue to dive into this video. Okay, like the previous one, we will discuss to solve 10 structure questions of the TOEFL test. You may pause this video in this part if you want to answer these 10 questions by your own. Then you can write your number of correct answer in the comment section below. If you want to directly continue and discuss all of them, let's begin the show. Number 1. The first blah 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 appeared during the last period of dinosaurs' reign. Again and again, I have said it many times that to deal with structure, we have to find the subject and the verb. That's the first thing you must do. Okay, let's analyze this sentence. We can see that this sentence has a verb, namely appeared, so it doesn't need another verb. Don't choose options that contain the verbs. Answer A and B contain a verb, namely are and have, so they are not the answer. Answer C also has a verb, namely plants. It means the best answer is D, flowering plants. Don't get into the trap because of flowering. It's not a verb, but it is an adjective explaining the plants. Tumbuhan. Jadi artinya tumbuhan yang berbunga. Alright, D is the answer. Number 2. The earliest medicines, blah blah blah, from plants of various sorts. Let's identify the subject and the verb of this sentence. What is the subject? Yes, the earliest medicines is the subject. Does this sentence have a verb? No, the verb is missing, so we have to find the verb in option. Answer B and D are incorrect because it will be double subject. Answer A, obtaining, is also incorrect because verb ing as a verb cannot stand alone. Therefore, the best answer is C, were obtained. This sentence is a passive sentence, so that's the answer. Number 3. Simple sails were made from canvas blah 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 over a frame. Let's analyze the sentence. Is there any subject? Yes, simple sails is the subject. How about the verb? Yes, were made is the verb. So, this sentence has a complete subject and verb, which means we don't need both elements in option. We need something else to complete the sentence. But what is it? Answer A is obviously incorrect. No chance for that. Answer C, was stretched, is incorrect too. It will be double verb. Answer D, it was stretched is also incorrect. It's double subject and verb as well. It means the best answer is B, baby, stretch. It is not a verb, but it is an adjective that explains the canvas. The real sentence is canvas that was stretched. That's the real sentence. We delete that and was as our skills in the previous video. Be careful of past participle. Okay, number 4. Pluto's moon Charon blah 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 in a slightly elliptical path around the planet. Let's identify the subject and the verb of this sentence. What is the subject? Yes, Pluto's moon Charon is the subject. Does this sentence have a verb? No, the verb is missing, so we have to find the verb in options. Answer C is incorrect because it will be double subject. Answer A, obtaining, is also incorrect because verb ing as a verb cannot stand alone. And then answer D, in its movement, is also incorrect because the sentence will still miss the verb. Therefore, the best answer is B, baby, is moving. The next one is number 5. Techniques of breath control form an essential part of any blah 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 program to improve the voice. Let's analyze the sentence. Is there any subject? Yes. Techniques of breath control is the subject. How about the verb? Yes. Form is the verb. So this sentence has a complete subject and verb. It means we don't need both elements in options. We need something else to complete this sentence. What is it? Answer A, B, and C are incorrect. It will be double verb. It means the best answer is D, diamond, training. Number 6. Robert E. Lee, blah blah blah, the Confederate Army to General Grant in 1865 at the Appomattox Courthouse. Let's identify the subject and the verb of this sentence. What is the subject? Robert E. Lee is the subject. How about the verb? The verb in this sentence is missing, so we have to find the verb in option. Answer B, he surrendered, is incorrect because of the double subject. Answer C, surrendering, is also incorrect because verb ing as a verb cannot stand alone. Therefore, there are two possibilities between A or D. Let's analyze deeper. Look at the subject, Robert E. Lee. It is singular, so answer D, surrender, is not the answer because surrender is verb for plural. That's why the best answer is surrendered. It is matched with the subject. Continue. Number 7. The pituitary gland, blah blah blah, the brain, releases hormones to control other glands. Let's analyze the sentence. Is there any subject? Yes. Pituitary gland is the subject. How about the verb? Yes, releases is the verb. So this sentence has a complete subject and verb. Therefore, we don't need both elements in options. We need something else. But what is it? Answer C is obviously incorrect. No chance for this option. Answer B and D are also incorrect. It will be double verb. It means the best answer is A, found below. It is not a verb, but it is an adjective that explains the pituitary gland. The real sentence is the pituitary gland that is found. We delete that and is. As our skills in the previous video, be careful of past participle. The sentence means passive, the pituitary gland yang ditemukan. That's the meaning. Number 8. At around 2 years of age, many children regularly produce sentences, blah blah blah, 3 or 4 words. Let's do the same. Analyze the sentence and identify the subject. Many children is the subject. How about the verb? Produce is the verb. So this sentence has a complete subject and verb. We don't need both elements in options. We need something else. Answer A, C, and D are obviously incorrect. No chance for that. It will be double verb. It means the best answer is B, containing. We have to emphasize that containing is not a verb, but it is an adjective that explains the word sentence. The real sentence is the sentence that contain. We delete that and transform contain into containing. This has been explained in the previous video that talk about present participle. This sentence means active. Artinya adalah kalimat yang mengandung. Hopefully it's clear for you. Number 9. Multinational companies, blah blah blah, it increasingly important to employ internationally acceptable brand names. Let's analyze the sentence. Is there any subject? Yes. Multinational companies is the subject. How about the verb? This sentence has no verb. It is missing. Look at the subject again. It is plural, so we have to find the verb for plural. And the only plural verb is answer B, are finding. That's the correct answer. The last, number 10. The cornea is located under the conjunctiva on blah 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 of the eye. Okay, let's identify the subject and the verb. Do you see the verb? Do you see the subject first? Yes, the cornea is the subject. How about the verb? is located is obviously the verb. So this sentence has a complete subject and verb, which means we don't need both elements in options. We need something else to complete the sentence. What is it? Look at answer A, C, and D. They are obviously incorrect. No chance for them. It will be double verb. It means the best answer is C, the exposed part. Okay, my friends, that's all. Hopefully it's helpful for you who have problem in structure. If you need an explanation of how we deal with verb ing and verb tree in structure, you may watch the previous videos that talks about past and present participle. See you. Thank you very much.